The modern entry-level motorcycle market has lost its mind. While trying to appeal to younger generations, manufacturers pack basic commuter machines with expensive computers, complex electronic menus, and aggressive plastic bodies that drive retail prices higher every year. They forgot that real riding is about mechanical purity, wind in your chest, and an accessible machine that does not require a second mortgage to own. But Team Green just decided to wage war on modern complication by unleashing a gorgeous piece of rolling history. Say hello to the jaw-dropping, ultra-affordable 2026 Kawasaki W175 LTD. Take a look at that striking silhouette. It looks like it rolled straight out of a 1975 showroom window. It features a classic teardrop fuel tank, a beautifully sculpted step seat with a pronounced rider scoop, and an old-school round headlight wrapped in a brilliant chrome bezel. But the absolute craziest part about this mechanical throwback is the price tag. Kawasaki is officially launching this machine in the United States with a shocking retail price of just $2,999. That is cheaper than a high-end laptop, instantly making it the most accessible full-sized motorcycle on dealership floors. Do not let the beautiful vintage appearance trick you into thinking it uses ancient hardware under the hood. Powering this elegant retro machine is a newly updated 177cc 4-stroke air-cooled single-cylinder engine. To guarantee total reliability, instant cold starts, and a perfect, uniform idle, Kawasaki integrated their modern digital fuel injection system utilizing a 28mm throttle body. This compact motor produces a smooth 13 horsepower at 7,500 rpm and 13 Nm of torque at 6,000 rpm. It is explicitly engineered for highly responsive low to mid-range torque, making it incredibly nimble when slicing through dense urban traffic. The power feels punchy and linear, managed by a smooth 5-speed manual return shift transmission paired with a final sealed chain drive. The chassis and hardware are perfectly tuned to balance classic styling with absolute daily utility. The special LTD trim completely eliminates the traditional high-maintenance spoked wheels, upgrading the bike to beautiful 17-inch multi-spoke black finished cast alloy wheels wrapped in modern tubeless tires. This setup delivers rock-solid high-speed stability and completely eliminates the nightmare of sudden trail punctures. Up front, you get 30mm conventional telescopic forks with over 4 inches of travel, while the rear suspension is managed by dual side-mounted spring shocks featuring 5-way preload adjustability for solo or 2-up cruising.